Warning. The person playing this has a skill issue. Hi guys. It's been a few months since my PSLE. And why the hell are the question so hard? Like I thought. It was supposed to be easier than prelims. And I got my results weeks ago. And I'm kinda disappointed at it. I'm getting the secondary school, posting T and I'm nervous. I hope I get into my first choice or the same as my friend. And then I heard, next year you can't use your phone in breaks. Like I swear Mo has SMT against 2013 people. Anyways, I wish you're the best if you have exams next year. Make sure you study hard so you won't be like me. And FYI, I have cats. Aren't they so cute? Anyways, you'll have a great day. Bye and see y'all in the next one.